When you drink hard, you might find yourself waking up in very strange places. However, in some countries it's quite risky to drink till you drop. A drunk man in India was taking a well-deserved nap outside a liquor store today, when he was discovered by a huge python. Unfortunately, it was just around lunchtime for the large snake that smothered and ate him. The incident happened in the Attapadi area in the state Kerala. So if you ever have plans to go there on holiday, you better wait to get drunk until you're safe and sound in your hotel room.